Hello and welcome to Adi Labs. Today we are going to have a look at light intensity control using Adi Mini. So we have a very simple setup in front of us. A LDR sensor is used here to sense the light and an LED for indication as a street light, which is going to work as a street light for us. I'm using a table lamp as a substitute for a sunlight. So the softwares used are Raspbian OS and Python. So this is the code written, so let's just run it. As you can see, we are getting few values, which is an output of the LDR there, and the street light initially it is bright, indicating that it is a night time. So let me take my sunlight, which is the table lamp, very near to my LDR, which is going to sense the light, and you can see the street light is almost turned off because it is a daytime. Because I'm giving an environment of a daytime, that is the reason it is getting turned off. And as I take my table lamp far from the LDR, you can see the light is brighter, indicating that it is a night time. So let's see it practically. There you can see I'm bringing my table lamp very near to the board, and you can see the light is almost turned off because it is a daytime. And as I take it far, you can see it slowly increases its intensity, stating that it is a night time. So this is how the project works. Thank you guys. Hope you guys understood.